Great. Welcome to another episode on Pokea Store product demonstration. Today we'll look at customers or merchants who actually sell services and not any physical product. So if be it you're an online educator or you sell services that require e-goods or e-delivery, Pokea Store is on hand to assist you. So we'll give you a sample of that. So let's take a sample of a client who does online lessons via Zoom or online classes via Zoom or an educational seminar and requires people to pay for them to get a registration link. Let's just take a sample. So I just set up a sample product here. So let's say we are doing a sample online class on the July 10th at 10:30 to 11. And for you to get to pay, and then you get sent a registration link for an email. So on this, you can describe the elements or the agenda of what will be covered in the class. That would allow your customers to understand exactly what they're paying for. Probably also have a setup for what the agenda is, what would be covered, and maybe pre-course material as well. You could add that. So in this case, I would add it to the bag. Then I would just check out. It's important here that you capture people's email addresses, because if it's been delivered via e-channel, they would get the links via email. So in this case, I just key that email. So once I check out, Pokea Store gives you, as usual, two options: either to pay via cash if you have an existing till number, or you want them to send the money directly to your M-Pesa account. That's fine. Alternatively, you can use Pokea Pay payment gateway, which gives you multiple channels such as card payments as well as M-Pesa. Pokea Pay, of course, would be preferable if you're attracting an international audience who can be able to pay you with card across borders. Okay, so you keep in your billing address, country, name, telephone number, and you can configure as to what you'd require to capture. So once the client pays the order, okay, the order now states as awaiting payment. So immediately you receive payment. So from the back end on the Pokea Store, you can amend that order as paid. So I'll do that in a moment. So once that order has been updated as payment, the client will get two emails. The first email will be confirming that payment has been received, and the second email will be the email that will explain to him that now he can download, or she can download the registration link, and I will show you that shortly. All right. So as I mentioned, the client will have will get two emails. The first email will be an order confirmation. This is a confirmation that you've received. Order status has changed. Payment has been made. Thank you for shopping with us. The second one would be now that the client is able to download the link. So for example, you can attach files. If it's a video that you're sending, maybe it's an online class lesson that you've done, and they want to pay for that, they'll be able to download that video. If it's a simple link, that would be the case. So let's take, for example, this simple link. In this case, I used a PDF. So once the PDF opens, the client will be able to see this link and be able to join the class as and when. So that would mean that the client now can easily register for the link or consume whatever online content that you're offering.